We get a lot of questions here at Excellent Supply about how to go about building your commercial carpet cleaning business. So I put together something special. We've put together a 7-part series on commercial marketing and how to go about building your commercial carpet cleaning business. So stick around. You won't want to miss a single one. All of the segments are short, so stay tuned and pick up a few pointers on how to build your commercial carpet cleaning business. We're up to part 5 of our 7-part series on commercial marketing. Here I want to talk to you about how to bid the job. A lot of questions come up with how do I go about pricing a job? I've always found that square foot pricing is what works best. And I find that starting at a certain cent per square foot and sliding up or down according to some things that I evaluate as I look at the job. So just to start, take a dime per square foot. 10 cents per square foot should be the absolute minimum, and you're going to go into the above 20 cent per square foot range, up into the high 20s. So there's your sliding scale. 10 on the low side. Occasionally you could even dip slightly under 10 if it's a really immense job and everything's dialed in. But how do you decide how to slide the scale? Very simply, look at the job, and here are some things that you want to factor in. How large is the job? How frequently is the job going to be cleaned? Is it just a one-time cleaning, or are we going to be able to get them into a maintenance program where we can continue to take care of the job? How easy is it for me to get into the building, to get access to what I need to clean, to be able to get my equipment in? Is it cluttered up with a lot of furniture that I got to work around, or have I got some pretty clean open spaces? Do they want me to move things, or is everything going to just be pretty much clean it as it sits? Those are things that go into the equation of what I want to do with that sliding scale, whether it goes up or down. So, for example, if I've got a really large account that's easy to clean, it's a type A building, and it's just picture perfect, and it's going to be great, and they're going to have me back, and we're going to have a great relationship, I might be willing to go on the low side because I'm going to make great money, especially doing Encap cleaning on a job like that on a regular basis. Whereas maybe it's a smaller account, a little dentist office down on Main Street, and the guy's like, clean every once in a while, and it looks nasty. I'm not going to give him 10 cents a square foot. He's going to be in the high 20s, and he's got a lot of junk to work around in his chairs, and it's going to be a nightmare. So that's how we slide the scale from the low end of 10 to the upper end of the upper 20s, and everything in between, and go up incrementally. 10.1, 10.7, 10.9, 11.3, 11.7. In other words, I don't go 1 cent at a time normally. I go fractions of a cent depending on where I slide in that scale. Hope that makes sense to you. So 10 is pretty much the absolute bottom. Into the way high end of the 20s on the upper scale seems to be a pretty fair range to put most commercial carpet cleaning. Now again, where you are located in the country will have an impact on what you're able to charge. Now, when it comes to making a proposal, notice I use the word proposal, or a price quote. We're not going to just write an estimate. We're not just going to scribble something on the back of a business card. What I want to do is I want to write up a proposal, something that looks legit, something that I can present to them, and then they can take to their people and have a decision on whether they'd like to have me clean the carpet or not. So make it look professional. Have a form made up that is a proposal that looks really sharp. I've found that really sells in my commercial carpet cleaning business because, frankly, I'm talking to professional people, and the more professional I can make myself appear, the less I'm going to look like some yokel that doesn't really have the niche of commercial carpet cleaning. Again, I want to niche commercial carpet cleaning and demonstrate to them that I'm the expert. Finally, you want to put it into a contract. An easy contract for them to get out of. I'm not trying to lock them in like with blood. I want them to be able to get out of it if there's any reason why they're not happy with me. But giving them a contract makes them feel much more comfortable. Let me illustrate. Somebody comes out to give you a price on putting in a new air conditioning system for your home. They write down the price on the back of their business card, $7,000, writes it down and hands it to you on a business card. Okay, might be a good price. Someone else comes out and gives you another proposal, a proper proposal, puts everything in writing, puts it in a contract, even puts their guarantee into it. and they put it down, and their price is $8,200. Well, you got the guy with $7,000 written on the back of a business card, and you got somebody else that's put everything down very professionally. And not only that, but everything about them went along with that proposal and contract. They were the consummate professional. Although they cost more, you might feel more comfortable with hiring them for some significant purchase, such as putting in a new air conditioning system. So that too, when you get into commercial marketing, using this presentation, proposal, and contract approach will help you lock in accounts and get them to see that you are the commercial carpet cleaning expert. So hopefully you've appreciated this segment in our series. We're here to help you max your Encap at Excellent Supply. Please feel free to reach out to me or my staff, and we'll help you any way that we can. We want to help you be successful with your commercial carpet cleaning business. Thanks for watching.